Hey Rick, this is Tom from Blaze Alexander. I thought I'd do a walk around with you just to show you exactly what you're dealing with here. So, as you can see here, I mean there's not a mark on the front here of the vehicle. I mean this baby, she is nice and she's clean. She's definitely clean. For an 05, I haven't seen something like this in a long time. So as we walk around here, see a good tread on the tires still. It is the 5.7 Hemi Magnum. You look in here, the only thing on the side here is your body molding is a little discolored here. There's nothing of concern, it's just surface here. Moving along, there's a little bit of scrapes here, nothing that can't be buffed out. They're not even into the clear coat. There's no rust in rocker panels or nothing here in the wheel wells. Moving along. You have a little blemish here on your bumper. Very small. Have a little mark here. And a little dot of surface rust here. Right here on your bumper, you have another little mark. Little blemish. Some marks here on your tailgate. I mean, that's with every single truck, as you probably already know. The one thing I did want to point out to you is there's a little bit of bubbling and a little bit of surface rust here, and there's a little bit right under here. Other than that, this truck is very, very, very clean, ready to go. I'll show you the inside. Everything works up to par and fully functional. Has only 68,241 miles on the odometer. Has an integrated brake, trailer brake, aftermarket. It is 4-wheel drive.
He was saying there's only a certain amount made of these.
And other than that, I mean, that's all there is. Like I told you, I'd be blunt with you, brutally honest. And I'll be sending this over to your email right now.